Well, you've heard me talk about it, and this is it. This will probably be the only video I make because the Stray Pony is going to Texas. As I said, this is a super nice car. Very, very solid. New doors, new quarters, or new fenders that are original tooling. They fit fantastic. So, anyway, it looks like, for the most part, the sheet metal is original up front, the aprons and stuff. But I think this apron has been replaced. Well, it has been replaced because there's no VIN. So this was removed and replaced for some reason at some point. I think the core support is original, but you know, it's just a fantastic car. No holes cut in the towers. It looks like it has the export brace on it, so somebody put that on at some point. You know, these had the welded in pieces on the towers themselves. Great hood. Even if you look at these, how this fits, really nice. Really, really nice. Door gaps. I mean, this is what you get when you are able to buy original tooling stuff. Same way back here. Just super nice. Even up here at the top. You know, it'll take a little tuning on the fender here to get this exact, but it's just such a nice solid car. There's no rust in this car other than maybe a couple, I showed it in other videos, a couple pinholes that were welded in the back. Quarter panels, all original. You come down here and you look at all the spot welds, those are all original. There's no rust in here. You know, where the wheelhouse meets the rocker. Same way in the back. Just all solid. You look at the bottom of the quarter. Hopefully I got a good angle there. All original. Original rear valance. You can look at how the extensions fit this quarter. And I've used this as references on the Brooklyn Pony. Just really nice. I mean, there's a little variation right here. I can't tell by the camera if I'm seeing this right. This sticks out a little bit further than the quarter. Original deck lid, tail panel. Same thing here. There's a little variant right there. But again, original quarter. All the spot welds are in place. Previous owner, he did install a new gas tank. Has the standard exhaust on it. Same way here, original tooling doors. Just super gap. Up here in the fender. Again, a little tuning needs to take place. This is out just a little, but that can go right in. But really nice car. You know, I hate to see it go. And I probably sold it at more than a fair price. But that's how it is. You know, I can't hold on to everything. And sometimes you gotta let stuff go. Oh yeah, there's a bungee on this door, so I can't pull that open. The previous owner also had cleaned out the cowl and coated it with Pour 15. Took an air hose and blew it in there and got it all coated. You can see there's primer here. Not much else to show. Oh, you know, we talked about the clips. So here you have screw holes. So this car must be a early production 65 because it has the screw holes in it. You know, the newer versions had studs. Come here to the back, same thing, screw holes. So seats are, you know, They're good for recovering. There's a bunch of parts in here. I might pull some of those out and show them to you. He did paint the dash. And of course, this is a 3-speed manual car with drum brakes all the way around. Can't get probably a much better example of an original car, I would think. Little master cylinder. So, anyway, she runs, she drives, and she's headed to Texas. Okay, I've emptied out the car. Just want to show you the condition of it again. I mean, this is original floor pans. Nothing wrong with any of that. I mean, it is solid. Up front, there is some texture. I don't know, you know, some of that's just dirt from shoes or whatever, but I can't find any bad spots, you know, on the floor pan itself. Of course, the seats are kind of this weird champagne color. And I'm surprised they're actually in better shape than I thought they were. So I'll go around to the other side. Oh, look in the trunk. There's probably the original color of the car. Some sort of green. And looking this over, again, the worst part I can find of anything are these holes. And literally, that's just a small patch that you could put in there. You know, a little bit gone on that edge. Just fantastic shape. Wheel houses. Deck lid. Perfect deck lid. You know, it's getting hard to find ones that are, I mean, flawless. There's not a thing wrong with that deck lid. Up front here, again, super pans. I just noticed, let me see a small issue. Looks like maybe that plate, I assume this had seat belts. 65? It may not have. I don't know. I have to research that, but you could use a plate there. So minor thing. Same thing over here on this floor pan. Just, you know, a little dirty, but solid as can be. You can look at the bottom of the cowl there. Nothing wrong with that. Not much else to show, I guess. You know, there are a bunch of new parts that are going with this car. There's the original gauge cluster and bezel. There's a new bezel in here. I know there's a whole bag full of dash hardware, knobs and handles. There's some new taillight buckets. I didn't find any lenses or bezels, so I don't know if he had them or not. I don't know, but here's some new headlight extensions, which he must have bought them and not needed them because there's ones on the car. What else was there? Oh, that's a new glove box. Radio goes with it, so at least you have a digital Mustang radio. Back here we've got, that's a dash pad. Oh, here's the grill. Very usable. Miscellaneous parts. There's your glove box door, headlight buckets, extra, looks like extra maybe vent windows. Or those are quarter, maybe those are the quarter glass. So it's going to need glass, which is, there's no glass with the car. Well, there might be. I know this has a vent window over here, but the two doors that came on this car I still have, and they're going to go with it, and it may have the glass in those. I don't know for sure. There's door panels, all the trim. There's a window mechanism, the rear seat, finish out panels, and oh, here's some new kick panels up front. You know, all kinds of miscellaneous stuff. There's a set of hubcaps. good shape. Miscellaneous, you know, just a great project car. These are the doors that were on the car, and this passenger door does have the vent window and the main glass. So I don't know where the other driver's glass is. He may have broken it. I don't know, but I don't know where that's at. Well, it's all loaded up and ready to go. You know, this is a great car. I've said it before, and I'll keep saying it because it really is. And I hate that it's sitting here just waiting. So I'm glad it's going to somebody else who's going to get it back on the road and enjoy the car and have fun with it. And I'm actually happy about that. So I'm looking forward to delivering it to Texas and then seeing what the new owner does with the car. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, it's somewhat sad, but it's also a good thing. And maybe it'll lead to other good things for me down the road. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya. Bye, Stray Pony. That's a Plymouth.
That's a Fury.
It's a Fury. Seems legit. How about this one up ahead of it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's safe. Roofs all over the place. Trees down, look at the big trees down there. Yeah.
I think we need a little more speed.
Huh?
I think we need a little more speed.
I know. I don't know if I can get more speed. Too many cars in my way.
Over there too.
Down the other side. Texas state line, Orange County. And here's the official sign up here. Drive friendly, the Texas way. Huge facility.
Wow. interstate. Nice. There's no cars in the parking lot. So, well, yes, there is.
Yeah, it's packed.
This is the Pearl River, I guess. Wildlife management area. I don't know if there's much to see.
Don't see much water.
Not much.
Oh, there's water.
And that was it. Back to the straightaway on I-10. There's no name on that at all. On the bridge
No,
or
none.
the waterway.
But we're in Mississippi.
But surely that wasn't the Mississippi River.
Seems awful small.
I don't know. Alabama state line. Sweet home Alabama. We have an official welcome to Georgia sign. Yes, we do. But finally, that took too long.
It did.
Across Alabama.
I agree.